Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. You know, the sewer hose and the sewer hose kits are extremely important when setting up at the campground and making sure everything goes well with your camper. Bad sewer hose connections, bad kit means a bad day. So let me introduce you to the Camco line, better known as the RhinoFlex. Love these because of how durable, how well they're made, and the fact that Camco knows camping. They've been doing this for years. They make a great product. You got a better and an even better version of the Rhino kits. Now the RhinoFlex is 23 mils thick. It's reinforced with steel wire, so this is a really good option. Holds its shape extremely well, has the clear elbows. The transparent elbow to me is important because you want to make sure you see everything when it's done. You may not want to see it, but it is important to see it. Plus it still comes with the 4 storage caps. It holds the shape extremely well. And they come in both 20 feet and 15 feet options. But if you need something a little bit more durable, we're going to step it up to the Rhino Extreme. This is 1 mil thicker. You may not think that 1 mil makes a big difference, but it does. This is the Rhino Extreme. Has everything that the Flex has, the transparent elbow, but this one, as you can see on the box, is crush resistant. The exoskeleton is even more reinforced, and you come with 6 storage caps on this one. Now with Camco and with the Rhino line, you're going to get a lot of accessories to go along with it. Do you need the sewer hose rinser kit? Good option for you. You need an additional flexible drain. You got it there. You need the bayonet elbow, the clear elbow. Good option for you there. One of the things I think is extremely important, because when you get to the dump station, the cap, you might not want to touch it. Just me and you, you know, you do you. But good option to keep that in your camper. Throw it there. You never know what's been there, or more importantly, who's been there. You need more fittings, lug fittings. If you want a cinch right there, we got it for you. Gloves, yes. Safety and security obviously is paramount with Camping World and Gander RV and Outdoors, but all the options that you need will be here for you. The clear elbows, the Y fittings, the flexible adapters. If you need the bumper cap covers, we got you right there as well. And if you need the extendable hoses, you got those options. Difference between the orange and the white, you know this already. Don't use the potable water hoses for your sewer. Grab you one of these. And something that I always thought was kind of important, the sewer hose weight. Love this because not only does it have the reflective tape and of course the blaze orange, but you can fill this sand, water, whatever, and it keeps that elbow in the ground, because when that pops up, that can also be a bad day. It's kind of cool looking, looks like a little pull behind, but another nice option for you when it comes to your sewer hose setup, just making sure that your sewer connections and your sewer game is as tight as it can be, because when that goes bad, it's a really bad day. Anything you need from the Camco Rhino line of sewer hose connections and accessories, you can find at Camping World and Gander RV and Outdoors, or of course online, campingworld.com, ganderoutdoors.com.